Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to regain access to your Amazon account. Regaining access to your Amazon account can involve a few different parts depending on why you're locked out. Here's a breakdown of the common procedures. 1. If you have password issues, go to the Amazon Password Assistance page. Enter the email address or mobile phone number associated with your Amazon account. Click continue and follow the prompt to receive a verification code. Enter the verification code and create a new password. Save your changes and sign in. The second method is two-step verification problems. That's the second problem. So how do you solve this? Backup method. If your 2SV, that's two-step verification, is failing, try using a backup method or a trusted device. If backup methods fail, use Amazon's account recovery process. You can likely need to upload the government-issued ID for verification. Amazon will verify your identity and may disable 2SV to restore access. Now, if it was a general account lockout, then what do? You check for notifications. Review your email for any messages from Amazon explaining why your account was locked. If you can't resolve the issue through password reset or two-step verification, contact Amazon customer service. Be prepared to provide account details and verification information. Provide also Amazon, because Amazon may actually ask for a copy of your ID, proof of payment, details of recent orders. Just follow their instructions carefully. It's as simple as that. Now, be aware of phishing emails or websites. Only use official Amazon channels. Use strong, unique passwords for your Amazon account. Ensure your email and phone number are current in your Amazon account settings. It's as simple as that.